Hey everybody, today we're gonna build a star. This is something I learned how to do way back in the late 80s. So it just doesn't have to be in Blender, it could be in any 3D package. We're running Blender. Let's get started. So unfortunately we're gonna have to delete the default cube. Alright. I'm going to hit the 1 key. I have the screencast keys turned on. We're going to add a circle. Go down here to the left side and put it on view. Change this to 10 because we want a 10-sided circle. We're just going to hit enter, zoom in, and then we're going to hit the tab key to go into edit mode. Now the trick here is just I'm using circle select, just select every other vertex, and I like to turn on 3D cursor for the influence, like where it's going to scale to, and we're just going to hit S and scale these points down until it looks like a star. It's pretty close. So now we have our star. So we can hit A to select everything, hit F to make a face, and then we're going to extrude it a little bit, and then a little extra bonus, we can select, if you tap A twice it will deselect everything. So we're going to select the front face, hold shift, and the back face, and then we're going to hit Control B for bevel. We're going to add a little bevel to it. And there you go. Pretty much that's how you make a star. And we get a little fancy. We'll do a matte cap and we'll make it this guy. This kind of reminds me of something. And that's it. Nice and easy.